I'm starting.
मैम को होस्ट बना देना।
सिमरन को
मैम को
एक सेकंड।
हमारे दोनों कंपेयरर्स हैं, उनको भी होस्ट बना दो।
हाँ बना उनको बना दो। राशिका बंसल एंड सिमरन गंभीर।
हाँ जी।
मेधा मैम डायरेक्टर सर ज्वाइन करते हैं तो हम स्टार्ट कर देते हैं। ऑलमोस्ट टाइम।
एक सेकंड सर, अभी जस्ट
नीतू मैम के सिस्टम से सर ने ज्वाइन किया हुआ है सर।
इनको सही तरह बना दिया बच्चों को को-होस्ट।
मैम होस्ट तो आप बना सकते हो ना, मैं नहीं बना सकती।
अच्छा एक सेकंड। बन गए, दोनों बच्चे बना दिए। हाँ सिमरन, नाउ यू कैन स्टार्ट शेयरिंग द स्क्रीन।
Ma'am, can we move ahead?
Just a minute बेटा।
यस आपका
Just a minute.
एनोटेशन ऑफ कर देना बेटा, एनोटेशन ऑफ कर दो। सिमरन हो गई बेटा?
Prana sir, director sir, if you permit, can we start?
Yes, ma'am.
Simran, Rashika, please stop annotation.
Ma'am, the option is not coming on my side.
नहीं, more पे you click on the more.
It's not coming, ma'am.
Who starts sharing, Simran or Rashika?
Rashika, ma'am.
So Rashika,
The option is not coming through.
Rashika, you see.
The option is not coming for annotations.
Annotations पे जाओ बेटा, जहाँ पे view options है, view options पे click करो, then annotations off करने हैं। हो गया?
Ma'am, option is not coming.
सरिता में जरा हेल्प करना चाहिए।
बेटा आपकी स्क्रीन पे 3 डॉट्स आ रही होंगी ऊपर।
Yes, ma'am, but the annotations option is not coming.
Okay, चलो, we will leave it at it. We will start with the program. Prana sir, we can start now.
Yes, ma'am, please.
Yeah, director sir is here, so we can start.
Please go ahead.
Simran, Rashika, please start, beta.
A very warm welcome to all the dignitaries, guests, professors, and fellow students. I welcome you all with great joy. I, Simran, and my fellow host, Rashika, feel privileged to welcome you all to the valedictory program of Advanced Certificate course of MS Excel 3.0, as well as the Excellence Award function for BBA batch 2019-22. भारतीय संस्कृति में सरस्वती को ज्ञान की अधिष्ठात्री भी कहा गया है। बिना ज्ञान के मनुष्य का जीवन किसी काम का नहीं है। Shri Saraswati Namastabhyam Varde Kama Rupini Tvam Aham Prarthane Devi Vidyanam Cha Dehi Me. It means I bow to Goddess Saraswati, who fulfills the wishes of the devotees. I pray her to enlighten us with the knowledge. So let us begin the program with this wish by invoking the blessings of the Almighty.
Ya kundendu tushar har dhavala Ya subhravastravrita Ya veera vardanda mandita kara Ya shveta padmasana.
Now, for the welcome address, I would like to invite Ms. Sarita Bansal Garg, Associate Professor and Co-Convener. Ms. Sarita Garg has an experience of over 20 plus years and specializes in areas of artificial intelligence, deep learning, text analysis, etc. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you, Simran. Am I audible to all?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you very much. Education is the best wealth among all, which no one can steal. It is to acquire this wealth, students participated in the different certificate programs apart from the curriculum. Today's program is to acknowledge and appreciate the efforts of all the students. A very warm welcome to all the dignitaries and participants of the day. On behalf of Department of Business Administration of Maharaja Agarsen Institute of Management Studies, I welcome our eminent dignitaries and participants in the valedictory program of our Skill Enhancement Certificate course on Business Applications of Excel 3.0. This noble initiative of MENS to build the skill set of students was taken in association with PCJ School of Management, Maharaja Agarsen University, Baddi, Himachal Pradesh. I would like to acknowledge our special guest of honor, Professor Vishal Kumar, Dean Research and Director, PCJ School of Management, Maharaja Agarsen University, Baddi, HP, Himachal Pradesh, for sending his best wishes for all the students who did exceptionally well and work hard. Due to certain prior professional commitments, he couldn't join us, but he sent his best wishes for all the students. Very warm thank you to sir. This skill enhancement certificate course is successfully completed because of the able guidance of our head of the department, Professor Vijay Kumar Khurana, and our director, Sir Professor Ravi Kumar Gupta. I'm really indebted to both their support and guidance. Thank you for being a part of our academic journey, sir. I'm very happy to see our alumnus, Mr. Ankit Sharma, Branch Manager, ICICI Securities Limited with us. It always makes us proud to see our students scaling new heights and progressing through life. Welcome, Ankit. I also welcome our top rankers of the Institute for batch 2019, and most importantly, the participants of our Skill Enhancement Certificate course who has successfully completed the course. Thank you all for sharing, for having confidence in us. So I once again welcome you all for the same. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for such warm welcome words. Now, I would like to invite Professor Dr. Vijay Khurana, HOD Business Administration and Coordinator, IQAC. Professor Dr. Vijay Kumar Khurana carries a rich experience of 35 plus years in industry and academia. He is the editor of MEMS Journal of Management. His areas of expertise include finance, taxation, and quantitative methods, amongst others. I invite Professor Khurana to please deliver the theme address.
First of all, Simran, beta, am I audible? Simran?
Yes, sir, you are.
First of all, I welcome our respected directors, and somehow Professor Vishal Kumar could not join us today, and we are thankful to him for his wishes. I'm also thankful to Mr. Ankit Sharma, who has joined our alumnus. We are really proud of him. proud of him, and he has brought us laurels. So we are really proud of him, and we welcome him. As usual, my responsibility is to present the achievements of the department. I will be commencing with the presentation shortly. Rashika, can you see my screen? Am I audible properly?
Yes, it is clearly visible.
Okay, so today we have assembled here for the valedictory program on skill enhancement certificate course, business applications of MS Excel, and excellence awards function BBA batch 2019-2020. So it is really a proud moment for all of us, because it is a positive achievement. Positive achievement in the sense, despite the limitations of the COVID and environment, we are able to attain something positive, which should be helpful to one and all. So at the outset, it is indeed my privilege to express my heartfelt gratitude to Dr. Nand Kishore Garg ji, founder and chief advisor, MATES, and Chancellor Maharaja Agrawal University. Shri Vineet Kumar Gupta ji, chairman MATES. Shri S.P. Agarwal ji, executive chairman MATES. Other honorable managing committee members who have always been source of great inspiration and support for all of us. I also express our welcome to our alumnus, Mr. Ankit Sharma, branch manager, ICICI Securities Limited, for joining us here today. I also express my sincere welcome to Professor Dr. S.K. Garg, Director General MATES, Professor Dr. G.P. Govil, Advisor MATES, our energetic director, Sir, Professor Dr. Ravi Kumar Gupta, Director MATES, who have always supported and guided us in all our endeavors. I also extend a heartiest welcome to Dean, Principal Law, other HODs, colleagues, and all the participants. As this may appear to be a little bit overstatement, but all of you will agree that our institute MATES always tries to be a pioneer in quality education. So under the valuable guidance of our mentors and energetic leadership of our director, sir, our institute MATES has emerged as a leader in digital education as well. The data which I am going to share with you, then you will agree that there are very few institutions across India, like our MATES, who are committed to holistic development for all stakeholders. When I say all, it includes everyone. We are committed to work for holistic development of faculties as well as students. These are some of the activities which we have conducted recently for the faculties. This I am talking in the context of Department of Business Administration only, and for last 3 months only. So if I add the activities of other departments, so maybe I will keep on talking about the activities which we conduct for faculties till the late evening. International conference, faculty development programs, research webinar and quiz, etc., many such programs. Then again, these are some of our unique initiatives. These are some of our unique initiatives. For students, these are some of the rare events. When you discuss with other colleges, you will find that these events are rarely organized. Summer training report competition, research proposal competition, basic 2021, credit report competition, innovation tool, certificate courses on data analytics, and many such activities. So in that sense, I'm really grateful to our director, sir, Professor Dr. Ravi Kumar Gupta ji, and our faculties. Actually, they have created benchmark for other colleges in Delhi NCR and maybe beyond also. Then our college emphasizes learning by doing, experiential learning, practical learning, and series of webinar, quizzes, competitions we keep on conducting. I will not read in detail. On 18th March, we had Parichacha group discussion competition. 17th and 24th, War of Birds. Then webinar and quizzes. I'm not in a position to read all the details because list is too long. 9th June, 11th June, 22nd July, 2nd August, 7th August, 10th September, and so forth. List is too long. I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 quizzes we have conducted in the last 2 months itself. That way, we are committed towards learning by doing, experiential learning, practical learning. That is our key focus. Then coming to skill enhancement certificate courses, these have acquired extreme importance. Why? Because things are changing at a very fast rate. Rashika, am I audible?
Yes, sir,
Yes,
you're
sir.
audible.
So we are conducting skill enhancement certificate courses round the year. These are some of the examples: Demovi software, accounting software, business, data analytics to business application of MS Excel, contemporary practices management, etc., etc., etc. And maybe one or two certificate courses are also being planned to be launched in the month of October and November. There will be new courses altogether. So today is another great moment for all of us. So today we have assembled for valedictory program. This is being organized by faculty conveners, Madam Neetu Bansal, Madam Sarita Garg, and Dr. Sushila Gupta, and Excellence Awards Function, PBA batch 29-22. In fact, because of the major initiative by directors and the faculties, even students will agree with me, we are now regularly conducting Excellence Award function. Maybe it is RM Lab Award function, ISM Lab Award function, and so forth. So I think practical learning, experiential learning, they have got a great push under the dynamic leadership of our director, sir. So with best wishes to one and all, thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir, for such enlightening and motivating words. I completely agree that MEMS is setting a benchmark for all the colleges ahead. Now, moving forward, every now and then, a man's mind is stretched by a new idea and never shrinks back to its former dimension. Such is the innovative mind of our director, sir, Professor Dr. Ravi Kumar Gupta. Professor Ravi Kumar Gupta has an experience of over 25 plus years, including teaching and administrative assignments. Additionally, he has a keen interest in academics and research activities. He has guided research of over 15 MPhil and 4 PhD research scholars, and 6 more are presently registered with him in various other universities. He has published over 90 papers in journals of national and international repute and has edited 6 books in the areas of management and commerce. To inspire and motivate us with his delightful words, I would like to invite Sir to address the event.
Sure. Thank you. Thank you, Simran and Rashika, for coordinating this event. A very warm greetings to all of you. My first greeting goes to Professor Vishal Kumar, who happens to be the chief guest of this event, but he could not join due to busy schedule. But convey my greetings to him. And we are fortunate that our alumnus, they have been associating with us in our all academic endeavors, in all the events. And today we have Mr. Ankit Sharma, who is the alumnus of our institute and right now branch manager of ICICI Securities. So I also greet to Mr. Sharma and Professor V.K. Khurana, under whose this academic endeavor, the certificate course skill enhancements on business application of MS Excel. Its 3rd series that was initiated to around 2 months back, and now it has come to an end with a great success. And that's why we are celebrating this valedictory. And for this certificate course, convener Mrs. Neetu Agarwal, co-convener Mrs. Sarita Garg, and all the resource persons, my colleagues, Mrs. Rashi Agarwal, Dr. Deepak Bhagar, Dr. Sushila Gupta, Mrs. Meenakshi Gupta, and Mrs. Shruti Sharma. They have done marvelously for achieving this objective for enhancing the skill among our students. So my greetings to all these faculty members and also all the faculty members who have joined right now. Dr. Smela Datta, I find, and thereafter is Dr. Bharti Chaudhary and other faculty members who have joined. And dear students, well, all is well that ends well. You have gained the knowledge. You have upgraded in yourself the skill set of this business application of MS Excel. And we hope that you would be always concerned with this idea. Yes, the knowledge is a never-ending process, and always we should be ready to enhance our skill set And since it's a business administration program and all these courses, professional courses, which we have, it's the only key is that we have to upgrade ourselves every time and make us more employable. With all these things, my best wishes to all of you who have completed this course, who took this initiative. Yes, we are ready to upgrade ourselves to get the knowledge. And I hope your objective must have been fulfilled. Convey my best wishes and thanks once again to all of you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for your motivating words. Now, I would like to invite Professor Dr. Vishal Kumar, Dean Research and Director, PCJ School of Management, Maharaja Agrasen University, Badi, HP. Professor Dr. Vishal Kumar is a distinguished scholar and an academician of national and international repute. He is MCOM UGC NET, MBA specializing in finance and PhD. He is working as Dean Research and Director, School of Management, Maharaja Agrasen University, Badi, HP. He has a rich teaching experience of over 22 years. He is a member of various professional bodies. He is acting as Chief Editor, Editor and Associate Editor of many journals and magazines, and is also a prolific writer who has authored 27 books. He has published 43 research papers in various journals of repute, as well as presented 43 research papers at national and international conferences. He has developed more than 70 modules in various subjects, which are available on MHRD's website. He is delivering MOOCs as course co-coordinator in the subject organizational behavior through Swayam portal. But unfortunately, due to some professional commitments, he won't be joining, but has sent us blessings for the event. So now I would like to invite Mr. Ankit Sharma, Branch Manager, ICICI Securities Limited. He has an experience of more than 4 years of expertise on team handling of RMS, financial portfolio management of retail and HNI customers. Over to you, sir.
Hello, respected teachers. Good afternoon, directors, sirs, and teachers, and my all budding gems. Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible.
Hi all. Actually, I have completed my graduation from graduation and even post graduation from the same college, Maharaja Agrasen, and now I am working with ICICI Securities as a branch manager. And so in today, if I talk about the MS Excel, yes, it is a very important tool in today's scenario because as we all know, this kind of softwares sort out our very big problems in us small things. So if we talk about MS Excel in our daily needs, so अगर मैं अपनी बात भी करूँ तो एक MIS बनाने के लिए मुझे इतनी प्रॉब्लम नहीं होती because of a single software. So that's all from my side. It's very important tool in today's life, in today's corporate era. So you are glad जो आपने इतना सब सीखा है, तो ये आपको आगे जाकर बहुत काम आने वाला है. बिकॉज इस टाइम पर अगर आपको एक्सेल में एक्सपर्टीज है तो आपकी बहुत सारी प्रॉब्लम जो है ना काफी इजीली सॉल्व हो जाती है. आपको सिर्फ एक शीट खोलने से
I think we can move ahead as his voice was lagging. So,
Thank you so much, sir. I completely agree with all your words. Proceeding further, I would now like to invite Miss Neetu Agarwal, Assistant Professor. I would like to invite Ms. Neetu Agarwal, Assistant Professor and Convener, to present the report on add-on certificate course, Business Application of Machine Learning, Business Application of MS Excel 3.0. Ms. Neetu Agarwal has an experience of over 7+ years and specializes in machine learning and artificial intelligence. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you. Am I audible to you?
Yes, you are audible.
Yes. Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to present the report on the Skill Enhancement Certificate course on business applications of MS Excel 3.0. Today, I am very happy to tell you that under the able guidance of Professor Ravi Kumar Gupta, Director, Mains, Professor Vijay Kumar Khurana, HOD, BBA, and blessings of all the seniors, Department of Business Administration has already completed the first 2 series of this certificate course on MS Excel earlier. Now, today we are having the valedictory ceremony of the 3rd series of business applications of MS Excel. The program head of this program was Dr. Vijay Kumar Khurana, Head, Department of Business Administration. Convener of the program was Ms. Neetu Agarwal and co-convener was Ms. Sarita Gaur. MS Excel is the most effective tool for managing and analyzing data of all kinds. Its increasing use in several management functional areas is generally recognized. This dynamic tool provides several options for not only making the task easier, but also for improving the sophistication of data reporting and analysis. Its numerous advantages motivated Mains IT faculty to create a certificate course on MS Excel for our students' benefit. The course was started for the undergraduate students across the country. Registration for the same started from June 30th, 2021, and classes began on 13th July and ended on 3rd September 2021 with 20 sessions of 1.5 hours each. In total, the course was of 30 hours duration. The basic objectives of the course was to test keyboard shortcuts to improve speed and efficiency, become well versed with the Excel Quick Access toolbar and cell styling tools, master various intermediate and advanced Excel functions, produce high quality and dynamic charts for data presentations, learn and apply pivot tables to analyze large volumes of data, perform various statistical analysis in Excel. The course had been started with the basic topics like ranges and dates, page formatting, basic Excel formulas and functions, autofill and custom list, introduction to tables, conditional logic, conditional aggregation, conditional formatting, sorting and filtering, formatting charts, text functions and statistical functions, mathematical functions and data functions, financial functions, data consolidation and data validation, VLOOKUP, creating data entries forms in Excel, linking data between worksheets, views, pivot tables, what-if analysis, and summarizing scenarios, macros, and class solvers. Topics were chosen keeping in mind the requirement of students in further studies and research. Practice portions were also given to the students in class to give them hands-on experience on data. The certificate course was headed by Professor Vijay Kumar Khurana, Head, Department of Business Administration, and 7 faculties, namely Ms. Neetu Agarwal, Ms. Sarita Gaur, Dr. Deepak Dagar, Dr. Sushila Gupta, Ms. Meenakshi Gupta, Ms. Rashi Agarwal, Ms. Shruti Sharma. These were the resource persons who took classes on the topics based on their experience. Google Meet was the online platform chosen for the conduct of classes. In total, 94 students registered for the course and 69 students successfully completed the course. The course was divided into 7 sessions and each session was taken by different faculty members. Each session comprised of 3 classes and 8 feedback forms. At the end of each session, there was an assignment to assess the understanding level of the students. And there were 2 quizzes conducted, one in the middle of the course and secondly after completion of all sessions. Criteria of certification was attendance, feedback forms, MCQs, and completion of assignments on time. Cash award winners of this course are Sagar Bhatia from Mains, Muskan Yadav from Mains, Kanishka Sharma from Janki Devi Memorial College, Nishta Yogi from Banarsi Das Chandiwala Institute of Professional Studies. And best performers of this course are Sagar Bhatia from Mains, Muskan Yadav from Mains, Nipun Chadda from Mains, Kanishka Sharma from Janki Devi Memorial College, Nishta Yogi, Banarsi Das Chandiwala Institute of Professional Studies, Tanya Gupta from Kasturi Ram College of Higher Education, Himanshu Agarwal from Mains, and Janvi Dubai from Mains. Congratulations to all the rank holders and qualified candidates. In the end, I would like to say that such programs always give an edge to the students when it comes to working in the corporate world. Knowledge of Excel has become the essential part of every business and job. So, a comprehensive and in-depth knowledge of Excel is essential to compete effectively in the jobs. In the form of a souvenir, the team tried to capture the course enriching moments. And the credit for this ambitious initiative goes to Professor Vijay Kumar Khurana, HOD Business Administration, who worked under the able guidance of the Professor Ravi Kumar Gupta, Director Mains. Their constant support and encouragement helped in successful accomplishment of this program. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you so much, ma'am. That indeed was a very fruitful learning for all the participants. To elaborate further on the course and to share their experience and learning, we now have with us the top performers, Mr. Sagar Bhatia from Mains and Ms. Kanishka Sharma from Janki Devi Memorial College. Over to you, Mr. Sagar.
Good afternoon to all. I think I'm audible.
Yes,
you're audible.
Perfect. So, hi everyone. I'm Sagar Bhatia, student of BBA, past 2018 and 21. Today, I'm here to share my experience of Excel add-on course. Very heartily, I would like to thank Neetu ma'am and Sarita ma'am for conducting this course on business application of MS Excel and all my mentors who were providing me this opportunity to participate in this valuable course and for all their consistent support and guidance throughout the course journey. Overall, the journey was full of fun and knowledge. Teachers were very cooperative, enthusiastic, and kind, due to which all the sessions were lucid and valuable. Talking about the assignments, so even assignments were meticulously framed and formatted, which helped in practicing all the operations that were being taught in the class. Seriously, it would not have been easy for me to score as good as I have in this course if teachers would not have been such supportive. A big thanks to all my mentors for making this journey easy, sparkling, helpful, and obviously remarkable for me. Once again, thank you so much.
Ms. Kanishka.
Hello, am I audible?
Yeah, you are.
A very warm good afternoon to one and all gathered here. I am Kanishka Sharma from Janki Devi Memorial College and I am pursuing BCom Honors. Firstly, I would like to thank the college to provide me this opportunity and it's an honor to be able to speak here. Also, I would like to extend my sincere thanks to the convener, Ms. Neetu Agarwal, and the co-convener, Ms. Sarita Garg, for conducting this course of business application of MS Excel. I feel delighted to share my experience of the additional Excel course journey. I would like to extend my heartfelt thanks to all the teachers for being the strongest pillar and helping me to complete this course effectively. Due to the pandemic, we all understand that online classes normally taken from home. So teachers were able to manage so properly from their home to teach and made concepts clear. The teachers are so helpful that they managed to take doubts on WhatsApp also after classes. The assignment provided by all the teachers are so well formulated, which were clear and easy to understand.
This made me to practice the concept more comfortably. The concept clarity would not be that easy to understand if teachers were not that helpful and supportive. Thank you once again to all the teachers.
Those were really insightful experiences. I would request everyone to please turn on their cameras for a group photo.
Thank you, everyone.
Those indeed were an insightful experience. To present the awards for excellence for BBA batch to 2019 to 2022, I would now invite Dr. Usha Nair, Associate Professor, Business Administration. Dr. Usha Nair has a rich experience of over 15 plus years and specializes in quantitative techniques, decision science, and production and operation management. To share their learning experience and to motivate us all, we now have with us the top performers from BBA batch 2019-2022, Ms. Mansi from 5th B and Mr. Anirudh from 5th A.
Usha ma'am, you are muted.
Thank you. Thank you. Very warm good afternoon to all of one and all. I, Dr. Usha Nair, would like to thank our Director Sir, Professor Ravi Kumar Gupta Sir, our HOD sir, Professor Vijay Khurana sir, for giving me this opportunity to announce performance report of overall achievers of the 3 semesters in external examinations in BBA. I would start with the beautiful quote from the Abdul Kalam. Dream is not what you see in sleep. Dream is which doesn't let you sleep. This is very aptly proved by our budding entrepreneurs and managers who excel in the end-term examination conducted by IP University. For the batch of 2019-22, University first rank, second rank, and third rank has been bagged by our students based on the performance of IP University exams for semester first, second, and third. The pandemic like COVID didn't hinder our students from achieving what they aimed for. They have taken the names of the names to the further heights. We all are very proud. And without taking much time, I'm announcing the name of our toppers. Miss Mansi with 9.576 CGPA. Mansi topped the IP University examination. Second is Anirudh Goyal with CGPA 9.515, stood second in the IP examination. Jagrit Jain with CGPA 9.455 stood third in the university rank list. I would also like to mention here that there are almost 30 institutes affiliated to GGS IP University offering BBA program with an intake of more than 5,000 students. And our students, Mansi, Anirudh, and Jagrit, outshined all of them. Keep it up. Congratulations, all of you, for making us, as well as your parents, proud of you. As said, to think is easy, to act is hard. But the hardest thing is, in the world, is to act in accordance with your thinking. We are equally proud of our other institute achievers for their consistent effort and good results. Hardik Madan, 9.364 CGPA, and he stood fourth in the institute. Navneet Kaur Sabrawal, 9.33 CGPA, fifth in the institute. Amit Kumar Gupta, 9.33 again fifth in the institute. Raghav Demla, 9.303, he's seventh in the institute. Dhanishta, 9.273, he's eighth. She's eighth, sorry. Utkarsh Gupta, 9.242. Utkarsh Saxena, 9.242. Both are ninth in the position. Tanvi Gupta, 9.212. Devansh Gupta, 9.212. Muhammad Ibrahim, 9.212. 11th position in the institute. Yashita Vajpayee, 9.152. Parth, 9.152. Both are 14th in the institute. Aman Kumar Gupta, 9.121. Akshat, 9.121. 16th position in the institute. Manvi Jain, 9.061. Anika Jain, 9.061. Both are 18th in rank. Harshit Sadbani, 9.030, 20th rank. Anshika Batla, 9.00 rank, CGPA. Shruti Agrawal, similarly 9 CGPA. Both are 21st number in the IP University, in our institute. So congratulations to all of them and good luck for their future. And may all, I hope you may all continue to shine and achieve newer heights and milestones. सामने हो मंजिल तो रास्ते ना मोड़ना, जो भी हो मन में वो सपने मत तोड़ना, कदम कदम पर मिलेंगे तुम्हें मुश्किलें, बस सितारे चुनने के लिए जमीन मत छोड़ना. With these words, I congratulate once again to all the achievers. Thank you for this nice evening and signing off myself. Over to you, Rashika.
To share the learning experience and to motivate us all, we now have with us the top BBA batch 2019 to 22. Ms. Mansi from 5B, over to you.
Mansi, are you there? Want to hear from you.
He is requesting to unmute. He is requesting that she be allowed to speak. Muted.
Okay,
Yes.
so am I audible, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay, good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity to share my experience with all of you. So I am proud to make this happen because my college provided me a platform where I could shine through. So there are lots of people that I would like to thank today for helping and guiding me all this while. First of all, I would like to thank our director, sir, Professor Ravi Kumar Gupta, and our HOD, sir, Professor Vijay Kumar Khurana, for providing us a healthy environment to study. Next, I would like to thank my respected class coordinator, Dr. Usha Nair ma'am, for her utmost guidance, as this would not have been possible without her. Next, I would like to thank our faculty coordinators, as they have been always acted as a pillar throughout, and they were always there for me. Also, I would like to thank my parents and peers for supporting me through thick and thin. As for myself, perseverance and time management played a major role in giving profound results. No doubts, there have been many ups and downs, but my goal kept me going and motivated. My consistent mantra was hard work always pays off. So thanks a lot, everyone, for having me here. And also congratulations to my fellow batchmates for their diligent performances. Thank you so much.
I would now like to invite Mr. Anirudh from 5A to share his experience with us all.
Again, Anirudh is to be allowed to be unmuted.
Good afternoon, sir.
Anirudh needs to be.
So with your kind permission, may I start?
Yes, yes, Anirudh.
Very good afternoon, ma'am. It's so good to see you. So my journey has been really supported by a lot of people here. Usha ma'am has been a big contribution, one of those people. Actually, I was a person who belongs to a non-mathematical background. So
Yes.
in the first semester, you have a subject called business mathematics, and I was totally clueless as to what is going on. And Usha ma'am has been a constant support. Bilkul micromanage karke she has taught me each and every concept, and that is how I've been able to score more than 95 on my business mathematics exam.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
The kind of effort that you've put in it is truly remarkable for any faculty.
My pleasure. My pleasure. Thank you.
Most welcome, ma'am. Same goes for Vijay, sir. He is a person who is very passionate about teaching, and he's always like तुम्हें रात को 10 बजे भी कोई डाउट है, if you feel that anything is troubling you, just pinch me, just drop in a message and I'll be getting back to you. So we need such kind of fervor, we need such kind of passion with every single faculty member, and that is what the faculty of MEMS has promised so far. We have Bhati ma'am, who's been my coordinator. The same goes for her. She always welcomes any sort of troubles that her students are facing, and she is always the person who will stay on the top of everything to make sure that the trouble is resolved. The other faculty members as well, Lokesh sir, Riya ma'am, Shikha ma'am, I might be missing out on a lot of names, but I'm really thankful for being an ever supportive person in my life. And Baki Guru Govindo Khade Kake Lahu Paye. We all know that share, and we all know that Doha from Rahim sir. But I truly believe in this Doha, and I truly stand by and second this Doha. And I wish I could just take and grab this opportunity to touch all of your feet right now. I feel so blessed. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
All the best.
Thank you so much.
That was a really insightful experience. And to commence the session, I would like to invite Ms. Sushila Gupta, Assistant Professor MEMS, for the vote of thanks. Ms. Sushila Gupta has a rich experience of over 10 plus years and specializes in computer science. She has published research papers in the international journals of repute and associated with many academic programs. Over to you, ma'am.
Simran, before starting, we take the scale photo shoot.
Yes,
Sure, ma'am.
yes.
So, can everyone please turn on the camera?
बच्चे पहले मैम को भी इंक्लूड कर लो, इसको हटा के. Yes.
Can everyone please turn on their cameras for once? Okay, thank you so much, everyone. So moving ahead, over to you, Sushila ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Now, a very good afternoon to one and all present here today. I, Dr. Sushila Gupta, Assistant Professor, ICT Academy Coordinator, may, on behalf of Department of Business Administration, consider it a great privilege to propose a vote of thanks to one and all. It is indeed a matter of pride to conclude the validity program of Skill Enhancement Certificate course of Business Application of the MS Excel 3.0 and Excellence Award function of BBA batch 2019-22. I would also like to thank the founder chairman and chief advisor, Dr. Nand Kishore Garg, for his never-ending support in all our activities to ensure that we always do the right thing in the right way. My sincere thanks to Professor S.K. Garg, Director General MEMS, and Professor G.P. Govind, Advisor MEMS, for their consistent support. I express my sincere gratitude to our Director, Professor Ravi Kumar Gupta, the dynamic and flexible person in all academic matters, for gracing this occasion. Sir has always motivated us to look for the new horizons and milestones. Thank you, sir, for your support and inspiration. Thank you to our Dean, Principal of Law, and all heads of department for their prompt support and cooperation. I would also like to thank Professor Vijay Kumar Khurana, HOD, Business Administration, for his moral support, guidance, and giving us this opportunity to help students to be industry ready. I am also sincerely thankful to our faculty colleagues for their continuous collaboration in giving shape and rigor to this competition with their appreciable competence in evaluation. Finally, the wonderful students who have participated with full zeal and have proven that they are ready to take on the world and put their best foot ahead in whatever they do. Never stop learning. You have to soar high. Thanks a lot. Have a good day. Over to you, Rashida.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Now, to end this session, I would request everyone to please rise and pay the respect for the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Thank you one and all for attending this session. We hope you have a great day and a journey full of learning ahead.
Thank you.
Thank you all.